Hey everybody, if you are thinking of trying out the trading platform FP Markets, watch my video from beginning to end. I'm gonna cover some important information as well as my opinion based off some of my experience using it myself. And if you like what you hear in this video, you wanna give them a try yourself, you can sign up with them using my link down below. It's a promotional link that'll basically entitle you to the best welcome bonus offer they have in your area. There may not be a bonus offer in your area, but if there is, it'll propagate that for you right away when you sign up. And it'll also entitle you to their best and lowest trading fees as well. So the link is there if you wanna use it, my friends. Okay, so who and what is FP Markets? Well, it's an Australian trading platform that's been around since 2005, so they're not newbies, and it is known as being a contract for difference trading platform. Now, you'll probably see contract for difference shortened down to CFD, and it's a hugely popular way of trading. CFDs means that you don't have to buy and sell the actual asset, but instead you are speculating on whether the value of that asset rises or falls. What's best is that you can buy fractions of things through CFDs. So you don't have to stump up the $2,000 it takes to buy a single stock in Google. Instead, you can trade in fractions of pretty much whatever you want. So the bad news is that CFDs aren't allowed everywhere, but wherever they are allowed, you can do it on FP Markets. That's all I gotta say about that. FP Markets also has a great forex trading platform, and you can trade in over 60 currency pairings there. And their CFDs cover pretty much everything that a regular investor like myself, and probably you, would be interested in. So firstly, it's a great place for trading shares. Here you'll find over 10,000 stocks and nearly 20 big global indices. This means that you can buy CFDs in all of those big tech brands like Apple, Facebook, Tesla, and get way more obscure with your investing. And it obviously goes without saying that it's a good idea to balance out your portfolio with some less risky assets. So I was pleased to see that FP Markets actually features a full range of CFDs, even for metals like gold and silver, alongside of all those commodities you'd expect, such as oil and natural gas, whose prices have been going through some massive changes recently. FP Markets also features more sophisticated financial assets like bonds, but I think that most people watching this are going to be interested in the fact that you can trade cryptocurrency CFDs here. These cover everything from big cryptos like Bitcoin and Ethereum to lesser known cryptocurrencies like Litecoin. Obviously, cryptos can be seriously volatile, but FP Markets gives you an easy way to see what all the hype's about. Okay, so that covers the main trading options. Now let's take a look at how you can actually get started. So the first thing you have to do is obviously sign up to get your FP Markets account, right? And to be honest, this is really simple. I managed to get my account fully verified in literally a few minutes. Then obviously it's just a matter of getting some money into your account, and you have to make a deposit of at least $100 at a time. Now that might sound like a lot, but it's actually quite small compared to some other online trading platforms that I've come across. Now, personally, I was able to make a deposit directly from my Visa debit card, but there are other payment options, of course. They include MasterCard, bank transfer. There are some e-wallets allowed like Neteller or Skrill. The good news is that you won't be hit with any processing charges for adding money to your account, and a lot of other trading platforms do. Now, in case you're nervous about putting down, $100 right away, you should know that there is a free 30-day trial of FP Markets. This is actually definitely worth a look because you'll get full access to all of the trading software, and it's a pretty good way of seeing if FP Markets is right for you. And that link down below that I was telling you about will also allow you to do that. It's a risk-free trial. I personally use the basic web trader platform for my trades and found that it pretty much covered all the basics you'd expect. And there are also some more advanced options like MetaTrader 4 that you'll need to use for things like forex markets. And mobile users will be glad to know that there are apps available for iOS and Android devices as well. Now, the actual trading platform worked great. It was pretty easy to build up a portfolio and follow all of the price movements of the various assets. My favorite part had to be the social features, because this actually lets you see what other traders are doing. Not that you should follow those supposed experts too blindly, but it can be very interesting and it can give you different insights. And keep in mind, my friends, FP Markets isn't some small-time shady trading platform. It's actually got some really heavyweight regulation from the likes of the Australian Securities and Investment Commission, as well as the European Securities and Markets Commission. Now, a quick note, I got a little confused when I first tried to make my first withdrawal. It was actually my fault, but thankfully I did see that FP Markets had a live chat feature, and it turned out to be pretty good because I was able to see exactly what happened, and the person over live chat pretty much guided me through fixing my mistake, and my withdrawal happened really fast. Now, I'm keeping this video super basic. Again, those apps are available, but I really find that it's a lot easier to navigate this trading platform from a desktop. That's just me personally, just the last thing I'll mention. And again, if you want to use that link down below, it'll guarantee you their lowest trading fees. Any and all welcome bonuses that are available in your area will be presented to you upon sign up. And with that being said, I'll see you in the next video. Good luck.